Okay, so I'm continued slicing the meat and chopping it, and then what we're going to do is put it in the pan to sauce it. If you can see that the knife goes right through the meat pretty easy. I keep some of that fat out because what we're going to do is make a sandwich today. If you were going to do just a brisket dinner, what you would do here is just slice about 1/4 of an inch piece, and then you just lay it on the plate like so. But we're going to do a sandwich, so we're going to sauce it. So you just want to put them in like an inch by inch squares, and then we're going to take some of our secret recipe sweet sauce and just scatter it around. There's never too much sauce. And then we just basically roll it until it's nice and hot. Any kind of barbecue sauce will do. At Rib City we use our sweet sauce, which is brown sugar based. But if you like it more spicy, you can use a tangy or a hot. And our customers here, what we do is sauce it in sweet, and then they can take it out to the table and they have a choice of what barbecue sauces they can use.